All right, guys, today we're teaming up with the Yolk Boys. If you don't know them, there's a link down in the description. Check them out. We're gonna make an egg gun. It's kind of like a potato gun, but it's gonna shoot hard-boiled eggs. First off, we have a 3-foot piece of 1.5 PVC. Then we have the piece that brings it from 1.5 to 3 inches. Then we have a 1-foot piece of 3-inch PVC pipe. Then we have the coupling that goes on there, and it's threaded on one side, smooth on the other. Then we have the cap for that. There's also going to be a sparker that creates a spark inside this chamber. What we're going to do now is go ahead and assemble all this together with some PVC primer and some PVC cement. We're getting ready to test fire this. First, I'm going to spray the threads with some oil so it doesn't get gummed up with hairspray. We got it lightly clamped down in the vice grip, just so that I don't have to hold it. I can see that. I don't know if you guys could see that. First, we're going to dry fire this without putting an egg in it, just to test it. So I'm going to spray some hairspray in there, seal it up, and then fire it and see how it goes. I'm going to do a 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Sounds like it works. Now it's time to try it with an egg. We got 1 egg bullet right here, 1 egg missile right here. So it kind of have to shave a little bit off. The pipe does a good job of cutting the excess off, as you can see right there. Then I got my rod here. We'll push it down until it reaches the line, and that's as far as we want to go. See the line? Right there. Now it's time for the official test fire. Let's do 3 seconds again. 1, 2, 3. Seal it up and fire. It's more like an egg shotgun there. Kind of exploded. It looked like the yolk went forward. Looks like it shot about 75 feet, and there was only the yolk left.